Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you fix can't hear anyone on Discord. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. In this case, there are a few things that you need to do here to probably fix this issue. But in this case, the most basic and the first thing you need to check here is to make sure that you've actually set the correct device for listening. So in this case, you want to go to the bottom right here and make sure that you've set this to your headphones. So sometimes, like for example, if you set this to a different device, because sometimes connecting like for example a headphone, this will actually redirect or choose a different device, which is kind of weird. But again, make sure to check in this case, use your speaker or your headphone in this pop up here in your sound. So typically it's going to be at the bottom right here. Just click on it, choose your sound here, and make sure that you've set it correctly. Now, in this case, once you've said that and you're still not hearing anything, the next thing you want to do is you need to make sure that your headphones, if you're using headphones, it has enough charge, or it's not lowbat, or it's actually turned on. Now, this might be obvious, but these are the basic things that you need to check first. But yeah, so in this case, what we need to do here is we need to change a few things as well within Discord if you're going to try and fix it. So in this case, the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up Discord here, and you want to go ahead and access one of your servers. So at the bottom left, you have your name here, your profile, but you also have the user settings. Go ahead and click on it. Now from here, you want to go to the left panel here, and you want to go to app settings, and you want to go to voice and video. Now in here, what we need to do is we need to set our output device to the correct output device. So if you set this to a different one, it might not, or in this case, might not work properly. So in this case, what I would suggest you try doing here is you want to select your actual device itself in here. So for example, if you want to hear from your headset, choose your headset here. As you can see, sometimes setting this to default actually is the one's problem itself. So in this case, you won't hear anyone if your default speaker or audio device is different on your Discord. So in this case, for example, you want to hear from your headset, choose your headset here, or your speaker, choose your speaker here. So also, if you want to fix that, if you want to use the default option here, so by default you want to use the default option. So the thing that you need to do here is you want to go to the bottom right here, click on the speaker icon. So right click on it, and you want to go to sounds. Now in sounds, what we need to do is we need to go to playback, and you want to choose the speaker or headphone that you want to set as the default device whenever you're hearing something on your Windows. So in this case, for example, if you have your headphones here, you can go and right click on it, and you want to go ahead and basically set this as default device. Now, by the way, if one of your devices here is also disabled, you want to basically enable that as well. So if you've previously disabled that, enable it again so that you'll be able to use that specific device. But yeah, in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.